Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to a new video. This is Fortnite Zero Build Ranked, and I must say I haven't played yet in the season Ranked. So yeah, let's go and do the first episode Ranked. Also, I must say I haven't played maybe over a week. I haven't played Fortnite. So many things are new, so let's go in. Okay, let's get out here. It seems like the game hasn't loaded yet for me. Well, seems like people coming over here, right? Yeah, let me get over here. Maybe find something. It still needs to load here. What the heck is going on? The bushes and trees. Okay. Some stuff. Yeah, some shields. Oh, there's someone running. Wow, you got nothing here. Okay, so we made it. Oh, what do we get? We get bronze 2. Okay. And what's up, guys? Another day, another round. Let's go. We are now at bronze 2. 18% first match protected. Hopefully it's a weapon. It's a shotgun, yeah. Okay. Where is it? Oh no, it's already gone. See if we can see them. Some shooting? No. Was it that far away? I knew it. Number 1. Should I go over there? Should I get over there? Should I do it? No? Yes, maybe. Where's this dude? Is he still alive somehow? Is he moving? Or is it still the bad guy? Oh, he's still the bad guy over there. Okay. Let me go and get those. Go. Give me a break, please. Right? Maybe. Someone jumped over there. Oh goodness. Let me get over here for now. What? Oh. Well then. Oh crap, I need to go again. Oh crap, no. 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 Oh, I missed everything. Oh my goodness. 4th place, okay. Not that bad, I guess. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bronze 1. Okay, bronze 3, that's what I mean. Yeah, not that bad.